Going to the awards thing? What?
Yeah.
After this?
Well, see what he's thinking.
Hey, it's your old buddy Rick. Decided to bring out the old video camera after a while and make a documentary / video blog about the upcoming superstorm, Frankenstorm, that's heading towards us. Figured I'd record it and might be cool, put it on YouTube or something. Anyway, Russ is going to be at his mom's house, so it's just going to be me and you, my viewers. We're going to watch the effects of the storm. We're going to record it, and hopefully it'll be cool. Maybe we'll record something that we could sell. Who knows? Anyway, I gotta go bring Russ to his mom's house now, but I'll be back. And you can see the clouds are starting to roll in. The wind's starting to pick up. It will not be long now. You ready to go to your mom's?
Yes.
What a good driver. Storm's coming, you know.
Yeah. Which one do I go?
Go to the right. All right. You leave me all by myself. I'm scared.
You'll be fine.
Please stay together, power. Do not fail me.
So, why do you have that camera out again?
Because I'm making my video blog about the coming hurricane. See?
So, me going to mom's is in the video blog?
That is correct, sir.
Okay.
This is the song for you with the coming hurricane. Don't you worry, child. I should have gone into movies. I'm pretty good. Some good filming here.
Go for it.
The wind's picking up. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, it's not creepy at all living near a cemetery, is it? No. Not creepy at all. Right. Looks like they're home. Alright. Bye-bye. Well, I'm home. And no power. That has got to be a record for trees falling and knocking down power lines in a storm. And here, the winds have started picking up. Made it to the store. Got a couple of supplies, whatever I could. There wasn't much left. They still had power. Got Russ to his mom's house. He's good to go. And it's me and you for the rest of the storm. I'm gonna try to get some footage of this wind out here in just a minute, and the rain is gonna start, looks like any second now. It should be fun, but luckily we have each other, right? looks like I probably should have charged the battery before the power went. Well, we'll go as long as we can. Hey, it's Rick. The storm's over. Woo! We made it. Power's back on. Woo! The camera was in charge though, and I missed the entire storm. But what are you gonna do? It's the way it goes. Very lucky. Not too much damage, I don't think. There's still people without power around town. There's still a lot of flooding, but it's getting better, I think. If I can do this right, I'm gonna see if I can change the video feed to my computer. Apparently, the cemetery across from my ex-wife's house was flooded, and some of the caskets came up. Let's see. I don't know. There's pictures here online from the local newspaper. Let's see if I can change the input on here to the pictures. Are you seeing that? Yeah? I think that works. And this one. And this one. So yeah, that's right across the street. So hopefully there wasn't too much damage to her house. I haven't heard from her yet. But we know that Russ was over there, and hopefully that he's okay and they're okay, and hopefully everything's alright. So anyway, back here. There we go. Apparently there was some damage around town. Not as much as New York and New Jersey here, but we are going to go out now, drive around as much as we can, videotape what we can, see what we got. The video blog continues. Look at that.
Deterioration of motor skills and an unbelievable hunger.
This whole area was underwater yesterday. It's gone back now, but you can see this tree here didn't quite make. Yeah. Hello? Hey, how's it going? No, I just just goofed around. About 20 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I saw the pictures. Yeah, I saw the pictures in the paper. Yeah, it looked like it was pretty bad. I saw the cemetery was. Yeah. I was wondering if it got into. It did. In the basement. Yeah. What about it? Okay. What? He was in the basement? Right. Oh, oh no. Did he wake up? I guess, yeah. How long was he in there? Is he okay? Yeah, it's probably just, you know, who knows what's in that water. I'll be there in like 20 minutes. Yeah. Probably about 20 minutes. I'm not far. Yeah. Okay. Alright, hopefully Russ is ready soon. My wife didn't answer, my ex-wife. Oh, here he comes now. See if we can see any of these graves that were messed up during the flood. Looks like a lot of it looks okay now. Huh.
What the? Oh my God! What the? Oh my gosh!
Crazy.